Lisa, are you back?
I'm here.
Great.
Yeah.
I should have set my timer, but okay, guys, we're all back, and what a great painting day. Thank you guys all for being here. Thank you so much, Lisa, wonderful
Yes.
co-host, and now we have Belinda. Yay. I don't know how much longer we're going to be going here. I think we're probably going to wrap it up at 5, you guys, my time, and tap the hour. Oh, looks like Karen has something lovely to show us.
Oh,
Karen, you want to show that up? Okay, let's see. Spotlight for
where
everybody.
is she?
I found her.
Yay.
Karen E.
She's muted though. You have to unmute.
There you go.
Yay.
Get this slide out of the way.
Good job. Did you do all that today?
I did that all from about 4:30 my time
Wow.
and late. But this is celebrating my birthday with you guys.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, happy birthday.
What a great birthday present to yourself.
Absolutely. And I really kind of picked up on what you were doing, just not having been here from the very get-go, but you were able to describe it
Oh, good.
way when I came in.
Yes, you certainly got the gist of it for sure.
And so but I liked working with the values. And so I made pretty good headway, I thought.
You really did. Wow. I can't believe you did all that in just less than, that's a lot of work you just did. And it's a large painting too. So
Yeah, this is a full sheet.
good for you. Keep working on it. Yeah, please post it in Facebook. Okay, Karen?
Thank you. I will.
Okay. Happy birthday again. Yeah. All right. Who else? Anyone else want to share before we say good night or good morning?
Jessica has something.
Okay, Jessica. Let's see. Spotlight.
I got her.
Okay.
There you are, Jessica.
There I am. Am I there?
Yes. Oh, look at that lovely piece you've got going on.
Yeah, this has been really fun.
Yes.
Awesome.
Liberating, isn't it? Yeah.
I can see how you end up with a lot of ideas for compositions and stuff.
Oh, yeah. That's so striking.
And
I like turning it around all different ways.
Yeah, you'll see something different each way.
Yeah.
Cool. Very nice.
I'm enjoying this so much. Thank you, Pam and Lisa and everybody else.
Thank you, Jessica. That's awesome. Thank you.
So glad you came.
Yeah. And we have Robert. Let's see.
Gotta unmute, Robert.
A big canvas. Wow. Oh,
hey, he posted this one. You've worked on it today, huh?
Oh, Robert.
Yeah, gotta unmute, Robert. Did you unmute?
You are just on a roll, I have to say. Look at that. I must have missed it in Facebook.
Sorry, that was my
circle and square on this, and the two sections in the bottom with the
Yeah.
bridge right here in between them, and
Mm-hmm.
they're going into town to have a party.
You really have,
So-
like, I can see your left brain is also very much a part of this with the geometry, but I love that one shape that's curved. It looks almost 3D in
Thank
the
you.
foreground. Yeah, very cool. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice job.
And then for today's challenge,
Ooh, fun. I like
had
your
the green, the teal and the yellow on it already. So
Yeah.
I put the black on and then whited it out, and then I'll finish it
Oh.
up later.
Isn't that fun? I can't wait to see how you finish that one. That's cool that you had that background color.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Thank you. Thanks
we'll
for
see.
sharing. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh,
That's
you got another one?
I worked on this one. I did this last month,
Okay.
and then I worked on it again today, just editing it and putting some brighter colors on it because it was just chalky, and
Wow. Nice.
it's still a work in process.
Good for you. You're going to have a lot for the next AAB show, aren't you? That's
Yeah.
awesome. Thank you, Robert. Is that all then?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Good day.
Yeah,
It
I'll
has
say.
been.
Wow, you guys, how impressive. Well, this is going to be a long video, guys. To give me some time, I will probably, instead of like breaking out my demos, I'll probably give you the time points of when they are so that you can just kind of fast forward to them if you want. Want to thank all of you for being here. Special thanks to Lisa Debates and Belinda and Marit, our wonderful admin who were here. And all of you for being so passionate about your art and joining in to make this a full-blown party.
Yes, thank everybody for coming.
Yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Okay, and please, please post in the Facebook. Let's flood it with all of your stuff you guys did today. I think that would be good. Thank you, guys.
Thanks,
Thank
Pam.
you, Pam and
Thank you, everybody.
everybody.
Bye.